Okay guys, welcome back. Today is Saturday. Does that mean you're gonna watch this on Saturday? Ugh. Means I got a lot of editing to do. We're way behind. Anyways, today we are going to go get door panels for my Sierra, Turbo Sierra. So my plan with that is, let's go over here and I'll show you. You guys all remember the Denali we bought. This is the interior we're going to use, which I probably should take the interior out now before it actually gets too wet. Now, I don't like the door panels. Door panels are broken, no good. Don't like the steering wheel. I want to go with the black one. I got the black Denali one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with a two-tone interior. We're going to go with the black upper. We're going to use this trim. And we're going to go with the beige lower. The door panels won't match that. As you see, our door panels don't look nothing like that. So we are going to go pick up a set of door panels that will match that. Unfortunately, the broken Sierra is still sitting here with the frame damage. No parts are selling off this. Usually parts would just fly off of this. I have no idea what's going to happen to this truck. There is one sitting at the junkyard with a good front frame. We were thinking about cutting it out and replacing it. Guys, leave a comment, let me know. But honestly, I think one Turbo Sierra is probably better than having two of them. Probably good just to have one and then jump on to the next project, something that's a little nicer maybe. I don't know if I'm a fan of having two turbo trucks like I was just talking about, due to the fact is I think you guys want to see different stuff. We have the SRT swap neon with the Viper seats, and you know that needs to get done. We have the two-door PT Cruiser that we want to build. We got our turbo Civic truck. So I don't think there's any point of keeping the Sierra with the bad frame, because really, let's get some new stuff up. So I think that's going to go to the junkyard, take off some parts that are probably salvageable, and then we'll be done with it. So I'll bring you guys back. I'm going to go over, grab these door panels, and then we're going to come home. Maybe I'll start ripping the interior out of the other truck, get a little head start on that, because that needs to be stripped and gone as well. I'd like to get rid of 3 cars out of it that are scrap out of my yard. Get rid of the Mazda I'm driving that you guys see me fix. The videos haven't been posted yet, but I definitely will start posting the Mazda videos. It was bought smashed. And then I need to get rid of, or figure out what I'm doing with the Passat, I should say, because the Passat's just sitting there. I did pay $600 for the Passat. Yeah, $600 for the Passat, 170,000 kilometers, 3.2 all-wheel drive. Beautiful car. Non-runner at the time. You guys should see it on the channel. It's already up. If not, I'll post it up right about now. You guys can see the first day we bought it. Now, I did sell the second set of rims I got for $400. I'm into the car for $200 right now. So I don't know what I'm going to do with it. It'd be a shame to get rid of. It'd be a good winter car, but I also have the world's cheapest SHO that's on the channel. That is an awesome winter car, as you guys see. So we're going to leave it at that, guys. We're going to run in. We're going to grab these door panels. I think you're going to be excited to see the two-tone beige and black door panels, which then will tie in the beige and black interior, and then we can put the Denali steering wheel on and stuff like that and have a lot of fun. So we'll leave it at that. We will come back. I'll have the door panels, and we will start ripping apart the interior of that Denali, and we'll see where it puts us, guys. Thanks a lot.
Hey, we're just kind of messing around in the yard, and we got the idea to take the side moldings from the Denali and put them on the step side. So we're gonna cut the passenger side off here and kind of just place it on, see what happens. This running board's kind of, no, I guess the running board's two pieces, eh?
Yeah, it looked like that too.
But it's just the black piece that's one.
So we got the pieces off. We're gonna test fit them and see what it looks like. Well, I need to hold it. Do this piece first, Jeff. And here's just a one to hold it in spot. Just to kind of stop it from scratching the paint. And then this one should be the right length anyways, because it's both 4. Yeah. Looks like you can come back my way a little bit. Yeah. Split the gap, so you got to open it, right? Yeah. Be a little more. Right about there is where you'd want it.
Yeah, you're hanging back a little bit, but...
Well, once it's all blue, it won't matter.
Yeah.
Hold it, I'll get some tape. Got it? Yeah.
Putting her hat in there.
Okay. Okay, watch fingers. Good job.
You need it up there? I guess it doesn't look bad without it.
What's that?
The side skirt. Like the step side.
Look at it from where I'm sitting.
Yeah, it just kind of on the front fender, like
Where it flares out.
It just kind of ends.
Yeah. So let's get this.
It's either you gotta run it or you don't.
How much does this need to be trimmed? So this would go. Contour would be like right there.
Yeah, so you still need a piece to.
Which is.
We don't have. That's the thing. This technically we used to meet this one.
Yeah, so this needs to go up way higher actually. This needs to go This needs to go like right.
Yeah, basically, yeah.
That.
Up a bit more. It kind of like goes in the body, like the body line on the box side itself is kind of messes with it.
So like that.
Somewhere's around there. If anything, just a touch higher because the way it meets the cab there.
Alright, so let me off some tape.
Just kind of get an idea where it's at.
I do not want to be doing right there or up higher.
Just there for now. Because I think it's gotta literally sit in the body line, like into there, like the groove here just sits kind of in that. So the back side of that might need a little bit trimming on the lower edge. But other than that, that meets the curvature of the body there of the cab corner. See? There. So you need a piece. You need to extend that a little bit, pull that one back a little bit.
Well, that one I don't need to extend. The one on the door is fine.
Oh, the door, yeah. It's that one. That piece. You got to split it.
There's that Escalade at the view pool.
Yeah, they were different though. They went literally right up the whole. They went up to the body line, like right here.
Well, the only thing we could do is cut that, spread it out, just keep the contour, and then use that drywall tape with some panel bond, and we can make it ourselves.
Yeah, you can shape it.
Let's get that back piece on. We're doing stuff. Go tickle her. So we only got to extend that one. What do you think?
Yep.
It's going to need the running board to match up with the back.
Absolutely.
But how low is that going to sit? So what we're going to do is we're getting the hood on, as you guys see, which is a nice cow hood. We're not hooking up the front latch or nothing because we got to modify the front latch to run our intercooler. So this is just to kind of clean up the garage, to be 100% honest with you. Okay, so when it goes down, we got to watch the fenders.
Yeah.
Even though we had it marked off, we still want to make sure. I got tons of room on my side.
Yeah, you're good here. You're really good here. Like, there's quite the gap here, actually.
Yeah, quite the gap on mine too. My gap's up here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Your hinge is split.
Looks like it's starting to. Right there. Someone looks like it knocked it.
That would push it up.
Watch this off for a second.
Grind marks, I'm not sure.
It's grinder marks. We can mess with that after. covers it up if it's sitting out here. We're gonna finish up the day with that. We did a couple things in the truck that I'll show you. We got the door panels for it as well, and we pushed the truck outside. So we did put the hood on it. We did test fit the Denali door caddings and stuff. Leave a comment, let me know what you think. We ended up putting in the box liner. It's just sat in place now because I didn't have double-sided tape for this. I'm just letting it sit there, letting the sun heat it so it might be able to fold itself down a little better. We also put in the new gas door, so that's in as well, thank God. And we got the grill in and a couple of odds and ends. Now, the original plan was take the back glass out of the other blue truck since the frame was no good, but we found a good frame that we might end up cutting off and welding up a frame and having two shorties. So one will be a 6-liter all-wheel drive, probably turbo, and this is a 6-liter turbo rear-wheel drive. So that's here nor there, or God knows when, because we got other projects along the way. So for now, we're going to put the front end on that truck, make it look decent in the yard, and then we'll set off to the side for now. So here is the Blue Beast. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think. It's starting to look pretty aggressive. I'm going to end up painting the Denali front bumper this week, paint the grille. I'm going to leave the center chrome, the outside blue, and I'm going to paint the door handles and the tailgate and rear bumper and get that on. And then the body work is done. It will be finish up the turbo, get it tuned, and then start slaying some tires, guys. So leave a comment, let me know what you think, and until next time, I will catch you later.